All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Cardano ADA. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price of ADA, see what is happening, what has changed, and of course, what is yet to come as we do go into Friday morning. If you guys are enjoying these updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. But now let's talk about ADA. So, if we're looking at the entire markets right now as we're ending off the day, and honestly it's past midnight here in North America, you guys can see we're starting to see a lot of coins in the top 100 going into a little bit of red across the board, and that's mainly due to the fact that BTC has seen a little bit of a minor pullback, which of course is impacting majority of the altcoins. But as far as Cardano is concerned, it's down about 4.4% over the past 24 hours. If we're looking at the price, currently sitting at 63 cents, down 4.3% as mentioned in USD comparative. It's also down 3.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap currently sitting at 22.1 billion, which is really nice to see. And the market cap, oh wow, what am I saying? The 24-hour trading volume is just shy of $1 billion. Not bad. Not bad at all. But let's see what is happening as far as the ecosystem is concerned. What are some news revolving around the Cardano project itself? But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you can see this for yourself, guys. Cardano's DeFi is on the rise. Its currently total value locked is 433.8 million. And if you're comparing it with other, platforms which are its competitors, such as Sol, Avalanche, Polygon, the potential is quite high. You can see this for yourself. Arbitrum has a 2.36 billion, total value locked in. Speaking about Arbitrum, is this one of the projects that we need to start paying attention to? Let me know in the comments. Solana, on the other hand, is almost at $1 billion, and Avalanche is also almost at $1 billion. So, this is something we expected. We've seen an insane amount of FUD come across Cardano over the past, you could say, 12 months or so. But, this is part of the game. We will see massive roadblocks coming into the way. Look what happened with Solana. Look what happened with Polygon. These types of roadblocks will come, but it's really, really important to see how the project reacts. And so far, Cardano has made it throughout the massive FUD that it has gotten. So that is obviously a huge reason as to why we weren't seeing ADA's DeFi thriving as it was in the previous bull market. But again, that was a bull market, and of course Cardano was sitting at $3 plus, and of course everyone is excited. And originally, whenever the market is booming, we do tend to see the chains do well. So that explains it. But Cardano's ecosystem, I have very close eyes on, and there are certain native tokens that I am also keeping an eye out on. And let me know if there are some that you guys want me to take a look at. But also, this is something that was really exciting, and I wanted to share this with you guys if you are interested in this. So you can see this for yourself. Cardano Foundation posted this. It says, exciting news. The Cardano Academy is live. The first certified course is now available, which is called Cardano Blockchain Certified Associate CBCA course. Accelerate your journey in blockchain with cutting-edge educational material and gamified learning delivery to help retain your knowledge. Get started for free with learning accessible on the go and at your own pace. And this is something that is really, really good to know and enhances your knowledge, because of course blockchain is the future. So I would strongly encourage you guys, if you are interested in blockchain and learning more about it, it's free. Do enroll in the comments. In the link in the description box below. And this is not sponsored or anything like that. Just wanted to put that out there because this is quite interesting, and I might also take a look at that. But let's take a look at ADA, because that's what everyone is here for, to see what's happening with the price. Why is the price of Cardano not touching the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level? Because everyone at this point must be waiting for that, right? Come on, guys, this is where your patience is going to be getting tested. Let's not forget, speaking about patience being tested, people that have been holding ADA throughout the bear market, their patience is really what you say, was being tested, because, this resistance at 40 cents was a huge, huge roadblock. If you remember, continuous rejections and months going without any price action. And of course, that caused a lot of, fake, not long term people to kind of fade away and chase the green candles. And speaking about green candles in the bear market, anything that was pumping at that point, if you're chasing some meme coins, random meme coins that were launching here and there, pretty much you probably got burnt out at this point, right? 99% of those coins are no longer here. And the true holders are the ones that are the real winners, in my opinion. And as we go further into the bull market, more and more people are going to start realizing, hey, you know what? ADA does have a potential. And if you really deep dive into ADA's technicals and, of course, more on the fundamental side, you'll start realizing, hey, you know what? This project has what it takes to possibly fight to take ETH spot. And as of now, there's one project that is really trying to take ETH spot in terms of, taking over the ecosystem, capabilities, and of course, getting to that level. And that's none other than Solana. And I think next one up is ADA. Do I think ADA is going to take over Solana? Possibly not. Because Solana, what it's doing right now and the way it's thriving, the way it has succeeded, the partnership it's making is just, I think, too ahead of the game. But that does not write it off that, there cannot be a competition. The competition is always going to be there. And this is something I've made it clear from the beginning. Avalanche, Cardano, Solana, Arbitrum, Polygon, the competition is there. So there's no way for Sol to get too comfortable. Absolutely not. I'm not saying that. But, let's remember, Cardano hasn't even had a massive run like Sol has. And Solana was ranked around 13th spot during the absolute lows. It even went down to 19 last, November when we did see that FTX collapse. But look where it's at now. So Cardano didn't really have a run like Solana has now, because if you're really making a comparison, where is Sol? So Sol is up 435%, and where is ADA? Where's ADA? It's up 110%. So, there's a difference. So where would ADA be if it were to go up another 300%? Of course, it would be higher than Cardano's market valuation. So we do need to keep these factors in mind. But as of now, I'm really liking the way Cardano is holding. It's creating higher highs, as I've mentioned, and higher lows. The previous yearly high at 63 cents is playing as a resistance for us. We did retest 68 cents yesterday. But we're seeing a little bit of a retracement that's mainly due to BTC. You can see this for yourself, a little bit of a red candle forming, and that is obviously affecting majority of the coins in the crypto space. So we need to keep that factor in mind. But if BTC is able to push back into the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, I think we are about to see ADA pushing into the 78.6 Fib zone, and I think this is where we could even see more upside once we enter into this zone. So really exciting times ahead. Patience is really going to be tested here. But if you've been accumulating pretty much throughout the last 18 months, at this point, this does not even matter to you. And speaking about if you were accumulating at that time, you're pretty much up right now about almost 3x. So I'm sure you guys are smiling at this point. But let me know down below what you guys think and what excites you the most of ADA. And do you think ADA has what it takes to take over Solana? Let me know in the comments. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.